I'm starving. Let's make lunch. This is a 1/4 cup, so it's half a cup of rice. This is 4 ounces of rotisserie chicken breast, just the white breast meat on top. That's all I got left. So 57 grams of low-fat cottage cheese, 1/4 of a cup of chickpeas or garbanzo beans, whatever you want to call it. Pickled beets, because I freaking love them. That was 55 grams of beets. 30 grams, that's 2 tablespoons. Bottle's empty, perfect. Last but not least, ooh, there we go. Here is what we got. Finished product. A lot of random leftovers in my fridge I needed to clear out before they go bad, use up. There we go. And of course, a little carbonation to wash it all down. 0 sugar. I'm starving. I have no idea what this is going to taste like. It'll probably just taste a lot like ranch because that's what's on top of it. That's good. Okay, yeah. So refreshing.